Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. I'm going to show you guys something that might be shocking to you, but I'm not just going to throw out this number just to throw it out, but I'll show this and prove this to you guys. We could see Doge at 6 cents, not 16, at 6 cents, and I'll show you guys how we can get there, okay? We are currently sitting at 95 for 95 wins on this channel. We have never lost a crypto trade. We ended up taking 2 wins over the weekend. I was in this trade, which was really awesome. Matic 10.79% that we won. That was 94 for 94. And then we won another 7.46% profit on here of Mana, which set us for 95 for 95. And we almost have Matic back into the profit here, which is really awesome, as well as our AVAX trade is almost back into the profit. Actually, it's in the profit right now. Maybe not. Just maybe break even right now. So guys, even in this bear market, as things are going down, we are still winning trades. I told you guys this in the last few videos, but let me start here. In this bear market, we have accumulated, it might not look like the account's going up a lot, but we have actually accumulated between $500 to $600 of profit with the trades that we've won. We've won a 26% Matic trade, guys. It was crazy. Like, even in a bear market, I'm going to show you guys how to trade your accounts and how to trade this market so you can keep winning trades. Yes, do we have some trades in drawdown? Absolutely. Most people's accounts are in 50 to 60% drawdowns, and we're over here, we never went below 7.8%. That was the lowest we've had the account go down, 7.8, okay? This is because we're using very good risk management. I'll show you guys how to get into our trade setups, as well as our Christmas sell on our indicators that are predicting these moves like crazy. I'll show you guys that in the second half. The indicators will never be lower than they are right now. Let's dive into Dogecoin. Let's explain the 6 cents thing, because I know that's why you guys came here. Let's start with this. Look at Ethereum. If Ethereum breaks down below $3,500, which is at wick value low here, and it breaks down, we need to be watching for the next greatest structure support. And where is it, guys? Doesn't take a genius to figure this out. It's right here on the chart. This area right around here is where we could be dropping back down to. Now, how do you correlate a drop on Ethereum and Bitcoin to altcoins? You cannot use percentages. Okay, you must use structured moves with distance. Okay, let me show this to you guys how this works. So a lot of times what happens out here is people say, oh, you know, Ethereum came out here and it dropped 24%. That means the market's going to drop 24%. No, that's not even close to how you calculate that, because I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be rude, but like altcoins, guys, are at a lower price. Some of them, like Dogecoin, is at 16 cents right now. And obviously Ethereum is sitting here at 3,500. Bitcoin is over here at 46,000. If you move down a certain percentage on Bitcoin or Ethereum, you're going to move down further on altcoins. That's pretty standard. People understand that. But here's what you need to do. You need to pull distance, not percentages, to figure out where the next crash could be. The crash we had in here was a 24% drop, okay? If you take the same movement here and you bring this down to where we're currently at, this is correlated very low, like perfectly to the bottom wick here on Ethereum. The same crash we saw before here. And that was literally, pulling from here from the high to the low, from the high to the low. Now that we see that, that's what we could see again. Now what you need to do is you need to come over to your currency, your crypto, and look at the past drop that we had in here for percentage-wise, and take percentage here and go from the top to the bottom, just like this, and not look for 43% down from here, because if you do, it's going to throw everything off because you're in a decreased price. You need to take the structure and you need to look for the distance of the move down. And that is why we could be sitting down here at 6 cents for Dogecoin if we simply just see a break of Ethereum down to the next strongest structure support. Okay, this absolutely can happen. So I've been telling you guys in today's videos, you must be doing account checkups right now, and you need to make sure you guys have some cash in your portfolios. I'm not your financial advisor. This is entertainment purposes only. But seriously, guys, you need to be able to be watching this for a drop move back down. Now, let's give you guys a little bit of bullishness in the market here. We are seeing something that I haven't seen for a very long time on Dogecoin, and that is the price versus well money flow, and the trend exhaustion is extremely low right now. This will usually see a nice move back up in the market to kind of save us from going down any further. But if this does head down further, all we need to do is break this level right here about 15 cents, and the next structure support is down here at 12. Okay? That may not seem like a lot to you guys, but in your portfolios, you need to be understanding the percentages we're talking about here. We're only talking about 3 cents, but we're talking about 17% drop in the market here. Our break-even entry on this trade, guys, is up here at 24 cents. That's where we're going to come back to a break-even. This is why we've always had buy limits set down here very low, even down to 2 cents, because it is possible to get down to a 2 cent area. Now, if that does, guys, Dogecoin is going to be the best. It's going to be the best buy. Like, I hope people are going to stock up on Dogecoin, because that's going to put us back down to where we were at 5 cents and people became millionaires overnight with one single slingshot move back up. Yes, this can happen again. Dogecoin is not just going to go away and go to zero. Elon Musk is still tweeting about it. You know, arguably he's the richest guy in the world. Like guys, Elon Musk can tweet this, and it went up 45%. Last time I came out here and I showed this to you guys, it went up 45% up here in the market from the absolute low. I didn't pull the exact low here, but went up 45%. What we could be seeing here is another pump move like this, but I don't want to just come out here and just like tickle you guys' ears, be like, oh, we're just going to move up here to another pump move. No, are you prepared for if Ethereum actually drops for a 6 cent move? Because that is absolutely what can happen in the markets here. Yes, get these indicators, because we're going to show you guys how this is predicting the market moves up, and we have been able to predict these moves back down. When you guys saw me come out with the the Dogecoin video, and I showed you guys what Elon Musk says, he says, we're going to start accepting Dogecoin for some of our merchandise. Okay, great, some merchandise. That's all he says. Like how much? Like 5%, 10%? It wasn't even a defined tweet. And everyone freaked out in here and went up 45%. And then what happened is this is a completely emotional coin. And I was telling you guys, watch this. If you got into our trades on this channel, you guys made about 22% from our call on a long trade, because we were able to exit here at the top. And then we started seeing the move back down because the trend exhaustion was high. Guys, we called the last crypto drop on Dogecoin in here with the trend exhaustion high and the well money flow high. This is why you guys need these indicators. Get them on your charts. They're literally 84% off. It's the lowest they've ever been discounted for, and they won't be lower than this again, okay? It's only been one other time they've been this low. So let's move over here into the metrics here for Dogecoin, okay? 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, this is going to update, which is in 17 minutes. So taking a look here, we're sitting in the neutral section for Dogecoin, guys. This, guys, if Dogecoin rockets up here, you are getting such a ridiculous discount right now. Like, just look at where we've come from. I'm so glad the emotional index still shows this over here on the daily time frame, where we can actually see the high in view, because this is where we're currently at. Like, look at these structure bounces from what we've had before when we've got down to these levels. Just a simple bull run back up right here could make people tens of thousands of dollars. And this is what I'm telling you guys, get your buy limit set up, but please keep some money in the exchange just in case we drop further, okay? Now, people have been taking their long trades out of the market when we look at the long versus short trades in here, but they're also starting to acquire long trades again, while short trades are actually moving down here a little bit. So this does show a bullish sentiment that we're looking for, people to start buying the dip of Dogecoin, and we could start seeing this move back up. We really need Ethereum, which is, called the parent of altcoins. We need this to stay above $3,500 this week. Yes, I know that's kind of a further move back down, but we've seen worse things happen in a single, 3-4 day period. This would push us below structure low, and that could crash us. So the point of this video, you guys need to set up your buy limits with our metrics here in a way that you're going to be protecting your accounts, okay? You need to get indicators in here to show you guys how we're able to predict the tops and the bottoms, and make sure you guys are doing account checkups right now and look to see how much cash you guys have in your portfolios. I really do believe you guys should be sitting around 40% cash in your portfolios right now. At minimum, 25%. I'm going a little more aggressive on cash because I do think we could see further drops in the market here. So that's why I have more in here. Okay, let's continue with the metrics here. Coming out here looking at well-institutional smart money. We are not seeing very strong sentiment here for long or short trades. We're just not. Like the last time we saw this we saw a very nice short move down here when Dogecoin went up with Elon Musk's tweet. If you guys watch this, it completely just dropped the market back out, okay? Like a lot of people made money on the pump up and the pump back down. The previous time before that, the market was getting super anxious and fearful in here because we were dropping out. And what we saw is the acquisition of long trades in here, and the long trades screamed up right here at that low, and we saw a shoot up in price right after that, guys. Sorry, alarm just went off. I want you guys to be watching this because this is helping you guys predict, and all of us predict market moves before they happen. This is an incredibly powerful metric you guys need to be watching. Support and resistance prices here. What I'm looking for with this flat area here is the next resistance that's very nice is at 22 cents, and then we're going to definitely be moving down and watching this level here of 12 cents. So 22 cents and 12 cents. But I'm telling you guys, that structure I showed you in the beginning of the video, I'll show you guys how to get into our trades here in about 30 seconds so you guys can win all the trades with us here that we're taking. But please understand that we could see a move down here to 6 cents based off the structure of what we saw happen before. You can't pull percentages. You need to pull momentum and distance. That's what you need to be looking for, because that's how you can correlate it to what's happening with the parent coins. And when Ethereum and Bitcoin go down, guys, Dogecoin's going to go down. Unless you have an erratic tweet from Elon Musk where it pumps up here, good luck getting, out in time before it just drops back down. Yes, our traders were able to get out, and you guys were actually able to get in here. Just really quickly, I'll show this to you, and then we'll move on here. But you guys were able to get into the price right around 16 cents. If you guys had these indicators, you guys saw the candle closed at the end of this. Some of you guys were actually able to exit here with about 30% profit. 30%. The entire market's going down. This is why you want to diversify in these markets here. The only reason why I didn't take an exit here for Dogecoin is just simply because I didn't hit a break even. That's the only reason why. So let's keep watching here, guys, on these metrics. Moving down here, dollar cost average entries. These are incredible entries to take, guys, if you are in the market for Dogecoin and you expect to hold this for 5 to 10, 15, 20 years, whatever. These are incredible entries here. This is a great buying time for Doge, guys. A lot of people are throwing money in the market right now because they know these prices are low. And there's a lot of people who agree with me and agree with everyone else that says crypto's not going to go away. We are seeing crypto stay around for a long time. It's crazy. This is kind of like a totally side tangent. But what we're seeing now is, like, my wife, we watch church on TV sometimes, and we're noticing that churches are actually starting to convert over and accept tithe money in crypto. Like, this is literally affecting all the markets, guys, and people are, I don't want to say taking advantage of it because it sounds weird in that context, but people are understanding crypto is a massive moneymaker for people, like massive, guys, and you are not going to have these opportunities again. This is arguably the last time you guys will see Dogecoin this low before we start seeing some great pumps up in the market. Really, the last time. So as everyone's over here saying, oh my gosh, they're so depressed and down on themselves, you guys might be in a place where prices aren't going to last long, and you might actually want to put a little bit more in the market if you have the extra time and the money to do so, because this thing could start shooting back up here. That's what I wanted to show you guys for Dogecoin. Let me now transition over into the video where I show you guys how to get into these trades so you don't have to miss another trade. Here's the deal, guys. It's $49 a month. That's all you guys are paying. I know it's way undervalued. The reason why I know that, because guys, look at CryptoQuant, look at Glassnode, look at any of the other metrics out there. You guys are going to be getting some of the best metrics here. We do not have a single losing trade that we have ever taken on this channel. Ever, guys. We have proof of this on all the YouTube videos, and you guys can actually come over here and look at the date stamps on all of these trades if you guys want, where the entries and the exits are, okay? This shows a 50% stop loss right here. Here's the updated ones of that so you guys can see that, just to keep it transparent, because you're like, how'd you guys call a win? The reason why I called a win here, and let me explain this to you guys, is the entry was right here. We took an exit for 50%. We moved our stop loss to break even. A break even of a stop loss with a 50% exit, quote unquote, guarantees a win, because no matter if it comes back down and breaks below here, we'll be taking out with a stop loss, so that guarantees profit in there. We were able to actually move that back up into the profit for Mana, which was really nice, and we were able to take some more money back out on that. And Mana was right here. So you guys can see this. The stop loss actually moved from the entry, and I moved it way up here, so we took a whole lot more profit on that when it went up through the roof here and it shot back down. So that was how you guys were able to exit. Literally everything is kept transparent on the Telegram channel. That's where you want to be. Okay. I know it's taking a little bit longer here, but those of you guys who stick around and actually watch these videos, you guys can do really well in these markets. $49 a month, snag that today before that goes up in price. Here's where you guys want to be hanging out. Every single one of our 95 wins that we have taken over here have all been called out on the channel right here. I'm going to show you guys Bitcoin. Obviously, today we're talking about Dogecoin, so you guys can get into Dogecoin and look at all these entries. But I'm going to show you guys what we're looking at for Bitcoin, because this is where all the action's taking place. So every single chart that we have, you're going to see three things. White is going to be price structure. Yellow is going to be the buy limits, and green is going to be the sell limit. They're going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is literally in about 10 minutes here. This is going to shift over to 12:20 because today's December 20th. Give me 20 seconds here. I'll show you guys how to get into the indicators where it's literally the cheapest we will ever have them. Okay, Set up buy limits. If you have $1,000, you're going to split it into 4 equal portions, so $250 each. You're going to put $250 here, $250 here, $250 here, $250 here. 25%. Simple, guys, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, you do not want to move any of the other buy limits. Keep these where they're at. Once your first buy limit is hit, set your sell limit up here in case we shoot up overnight. You have something to take you out of the trade if you get like a jackpot move, okay? After you do that, get over here into the Telegram channel because this is where we're having a blast calling exits, and this is where you guys will be able to make the profits. This is where you guys want to be hanging out to look for exits with the indicators, okay? Sign up on Telegram on your phone or your computer first. Click this link, and it will give you guys a hot link into the Telegram channel over here where I'm calling exits with the indicators. Trend exhaustion, price for swell money flow. Here's the deal on the indicators, guys. There's a Christmas special going on right now that you guys have 11 days left. I'm going to run it through the New Year's, okay? So here's what I'm going to do. The day after New Year's, which is going to be the 2nd of January, I'm going to up the bundle pack. Right now, you guys get 84% off the entire bundle pack. It will never be lower than this again. I've only done this one other time, and it will never be lower than that price. I told you guys before, it will never be lower than that. Well, keeping my word to you, this is the exact same discount we did before. This will never be lower again. Once you click this link, you are going to get every single one of our indicators. The sought after ones are the price for swell money flow, trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. These are the 3 that we predict price movements with. These are the ones that we use to not lose trades. Seriously, we use these to call exits before a massive market moves back down. The 3 that you guys want, if you pay just a few more bucks, you guys are literally going to get 84% off the indicators instead of 58 to 60. That's saving you guys about 24 to 25% more you guys are going to save getting the bundle pack than the individual indicators. All you need to do is click this, and at the coupon code, when you guys click to checkout, just put Christmas as the checkout, and you'll immediately take an extra $50 off for you guys. And at the end of this month, I'm also going to be upping the bundle pack $50, increasing the price. So you guys definitely, during Christmas here, want to get these indicators. I know here's what some of you guys are thinking. Travis, our accounts are losing a lot of money already. Here's the thing. If you guys, I know this sounds backwards, but the best thing to do is to possibly take some money out and get tools that can help you guys get into the profit. Some of you guys are going to do this. The light bulb's going to go off, and you're going to be like, okay, I've got $10,000, $1,000. I don't care. You guys pick. Let's say $5,000, and your guys' account's down $1,000, and you guys come over here and you guys take out, let's say $500. You guys buy everything we have. It's way less than $500, by the way. But you guys buy everything we have. That includes the membership, the bundle pack, everything. And then you start coming over here and you see how we're winning trades, and you start growing your account back. Some people aren't going to do that, and they're going to be like, no, I don't want to waste any more money. I'm just going to keep it on the sidelines. But people who actually invest over here, we've been making money through this whole time. Guys, I've been trading Matic with you, and I've acquired $400 to $500 more in this market here, and it's consistently growing here. Yeah, we're going down, but I'm still making hundreds of dollars because we've been winning our Matic trades, and we're probably going to be getting back into the profit for Matic here very soon. AVAX is just a trade we entered into. We've got other coins we're going to get into the profit. Guys, start making money at least in this bear market with us while we're winning trades here, instead of just holding for the long run and just waiting and hoping everything's just going to go back up. We are literally winning trades. I just showed you guys 2 trades we won this weekend. Get some money in the market and start trading here, and you guys are going to love it. You can start making some of your money back right now. You don't have to wait for everything to get back into the profit. All right, guys. God bless you guys so much. Make sure you guys get the indicator bundle pack here. It's 84% off. That's in the description. Use Christmas code checkout. Make sure you guys are also getting the membership before that goes up in price. And make sure you guys are getting into the Telegram channel and using the buy limits. Everything you guys need is in the description. Sorry, alarm going off again. Everything you guys need is in the description. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com. Make sure buy limits are set up for Dogecoin. We could be hitting 6 cents, but we could be moving back up. So buy limits and this risk management will help you get into trades. If we move up, you're going to make money. If we move down, you're protected with the risk management. Get everything you guys need in the description before prices go up this month only, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And let's try to go 100 for 100 wins by the end of the month. God bless you guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.